You can get your template by clicking on the link in the description below the video. So creating the leg armor and the codpiece, they're pretty straightforward. First we'll cover how to create the codpiece. You want to take the two pattern pieces for the codpiece, cut them out, and tape them along the X's here. And you'll use this 1/2 pattern piece to do both sides of the codpiece. So here we have a piece cut out, one side, the other side, and once you have it cut out like this, you'll heat form it to create a curved piece like this. Now for strap assembly, all I did was use elastic straps and put clips on the end here. So it's adjustable around the waist. For this elastic strap here on the bottom of the codpiece, this runs under in between your legs, and it can attach to the back side of this strap, or if you're wearing a belt, it can wrap around there, and I used another clip around it that loops around and locks it into place. So pretty straightforward. Now for the leg armor, you have 4 main pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 detail pieces. For the pattern pieces, this piece right here, the base piece, is labeled inside front. This main piece here is labeled outside front. This piece labeled here is outside back. And this is inside back. So you see it, this is what it looks like from the inside here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So these pattern pieces are pretty straightforward. They're on the larger side, so a lot of them are will be printed out on multiple sheets. So you have, for example, 2 pieces here, front, outside, 1 and 2. You'll cut them out and then use the X's to tape them together and create one pattern piece like this. So once you have the pattern piece there and you've cut out the registration marks, you can cut out your piece of foam and heat curve it so you have 4 pieces that roughly look like this based on the shape of the pattern, and then with the marked registration marks, you'll use those to glue all 4 pieces together to create an armor piece. Then you'll just do basically the same thing with the detailed pieces, the detail pattern pieces, and glue them into place. For the leg armor, I just took some 1-inch elastic and glued it here on the inside. And then on the top here, same thing with the codpiece. I've got a strap, an elastic strap that'll run up, loop over a belt, and get locked into place with another clip just like so. So it's pretty straightforward. Now for painting these guys, I did some base coats with Plasti-Dip Black, and then I did a really light coat with this Rust-Oleum Universal Flat Antique Nickel. Now I didn't do this heavy, I did just a few light dustings of it to give it the look that I did. Of course you can do heavier if you want to, and whatever other colors you prefer to do.